It's March 2026, and if you've been looking at the tech industry lately, you've probably heard the same two things. AI is taking all the jobs, and the market is too crowded. But as someone who's been in this industry for over 16 years now, let me tell you, the tech world is still one of the most exciting, well-paid, and beautiful places to work. Are things harder than they were a few years ago? Honestly, yes, but the golden ticket hasn't disappeared. It's just changed its shape. Today, I'm going to share the exact blueprint for breaking into tech in 2026, why starting small is still your best bet, and how to beat the AI panic by leaning into what makes you human. The foot in the door strategy. A lot of people think you need a computer science degree or a high-level engineering role to start. You don't. In fact, my own journey didn't start in a lab, it started in a call center, which was honestly the most horrible experience of my life. The best way to start in 2026 is still an entry-level position like IT service technician or help desk. Why? Because these roles force you to get hands-on. You'll be setting up networks, administering servers, and yes, probably still fixing printers, even in 2026. It's the fastest way to see the broad landscape of IT without the pressure of a high-level role. Start low, learn the ropes, and progress at your own pace. Hitting the wall and finding your niche. But here's the warning, don't get stuck. Entry-level jobs are a foot in the door, but if you stay there for more than 3 to 5 years, you'll hit a wall. By 2026, the real growth is in specialization. Whether it's software engineering, cybersecurity, or data science, you need to find what interests you. This is where the income jump happens. If you're feeling stuck, look at structured programs like 10. They focus on real-world projects rather than just theory, which is critical now because companies in 2026 aren't just looking for knowledge, they're looking for proof. They even offer a money-back guarantee if you don't land a job, which shows how confident they are in the demand for specialized talent. The AI elephant in the room. Let's talk about AI. People are still panicking, but here is the 2026 reality. AI is replacing the lazy workloads. If your job is just writing generic code or documenting simple functions, yes, AI can do that now. But AI cannot develop complex business logic or build a relationship with a client. In 2026, soft skills, communication, teamwork, and human interaction are actually more valuable than they were before. We need humans to integrate AI into actual business cases. You don't want an AI model jumping on an enterprise customer call to explain the value of a product. You want a senior engineer who can build trust. That trust is your job security. Building your 2026 portfolio. So how do you stand out? You need a project. Motivation is hard because we're all a little lazy sometimes, but having a clear vision keeps you going. If you want to be a developer, build an open source tool. If you want to be a cybersecurity expert, set up a home lab and exploit your own virtual servers to learn how to fix them. In 2026, my GitHub profile with its automation scripts and boilerplates is more valuable than any resume. Show, don't just tell. This gives you the edge in a competitive market. Closing. Never stop learning. The tech industry in 2026 is challenging, but it rewards those who are constantly learning. Don't let the fear of AI stop you. That would be silly. Get your foot in the door, pick a specialization, and build something real. Thanks for watching, keep building, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.